Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-rated products across various categories. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we dive into an exciting countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments products on Amazon. If you're a craft enthusiast, designer, or someone who simply loves adding a unique touch to your projects, you're in the right place. We'll be showcasing items that have captured the hearts and creativity of thousands of buyers, and you'll see why these products are leading the market. Without further ado, let's get started with our countdown. Stay tuned as we unveil the top choices that are transforming ordinary projects into extraordinary masterpieces. Number 5 on our countdown is a true gem in the world of trim and embellishments. Introducing the Beadsland Hotfix Rhinestones, a dazzling set of 1440 flat-back crystal rhinestones that elevate your crafts and clothes to new heights of sparkle and elegance. These rhinestones, measuring between 4.6 to 4.8 millimeters, offer a perfect balance of size and brilliance, making them an essential addition to your DIY arsenal. Quality is paramount with Beadsland, and these white rhinestones are no exception. Made from high-quality glass, each piece is expertly cut, ensuring high cleanliness and unparalleled sparkle. They represent an upgrade from our previous Hotfix rhinestones, bringing even more shimmer and shine to your projects. What truly sets these rhinestones apart is their ease of use. The hot melt adhesive on the back means you can simply apply them with a household iron or a Hotfix applicator. No heat? No problem. They can also be affixed with additional glue, offering flexibility for all your crafting needs. Imagine transforming plain clothing, shoes, bags, scarves, cell phone cases, glasses, hairpins, and tablets into works of art, all with the flicker of these glittering gems. And let's talk about the packaging. The upgraded zipper lock bag design ensures that your rhinestones remain securely sealed, ready for future projects without the hassle of spills or mess. It's not just an embellishment, it's a brilliant tool that brings your creative visions to life. So if you're looking for that cost-effective choice that doesn't compromise on quality, Beadsland Hotfix. Rhinestones are your go-to solution. Start DIYing your life with these bedazzling rhinestones and watch as everything you touch turns to sparkle. Let's dive into number 4 on our top 5 countdown of best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon. Presenting the TONIFUL 112-inch wide satin ribbon, a vibrant splash of color that adds a touch of elegance to every project it graces. This ribbon isn't just a decorative accessory. It's a versatile tool designed to elevate your craft game to new heights. With a generous 100-yard roll of 1.5-inch wide satin ribbon, you'll never run short on length for even your most ambitious projects. Whether you're wrapping gifts, decorating for a wedding, or crafting the perfect Valentine's Day ensemble, TONIFUL has you covered. The luxurious shine and smooth texture of this 100% polyester satin fabric ensure a flawless finish every time, eliminating the need for ironing and saving you precious time. Available in 8 stunning colors: gold, black, green, yellow, dark purple, red, rose pink, and royal blue. This ribbon offers endless possibilities. From vibrant party decor to elegant wedding invitations, the durability and color fastness of TONIFUL satin ribbon withstand the test of wind and rain, keeping your creations looking pristine. But that's not all. This ribbon is housed in a convenient plastic roll spool, making storage a breeze and ensuring it remains wrinkle-free. Use it for corset lacing, bridal bouquets, hair bows, or any home decoration project you can imagine. Its versatility knows no bounds. And if by chance you're not completely satisfied, TONIFUL has you covered with a hassle-free guarantee. Simply return the ribbon for a full refund, no questions asked. Plus, their 24-hour customer support is always ready to assist with any product or order inquiries, ensuring your experience is nothing short of excellent. So whether you're a seasoned crafter or a DIY enthusiast, TONIFUL 112-inch wide satin ribbon is the perfect choice to add that finishing touch to all your creative projects. Elevate your craft with this versatile, high-quality ribbon and watch your creations come to life. Introducing number 3 on our top 5 countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon. Say hello to the HTVRONT Heat Transfer Vinyl White HTV Rolls, a game-changer for anyone passionate about crafting and personalizing their wearables. Let's talk ease of use. This white heat transfer vinyl simplifies the crafting process, allowing you to cut and weed your designs with unparalleled ease. The vinyl's sensitivity to temperature and pressure ensures a flawless heat transfer onto any t-shirt. No more struggling with intricate designs or tiny letters. This vinyl makes the process smooth and efficient. But what about durability? Our HTV white vinyl boasts exceptional stickiness, adhering seamlessly to fabrics and standing the test of time. Home Launderometer tested at 40 degrees for over 50 washes. It shows no signs of fading, peeling, or cracking. Your designs will retain their vibrant color and integrity wash after wash, ensuring your creations look as good as new. Versatility is another hallmark of this product. Whether you're working with cotton, polyester, athletic mesh fabrics, lycra, spandex, or cotton blends, HTVRONT's white iron-on vinyl has got you covered. It's not just limited to shirts. Tote bags, sportswear, aprons, hats, and even pillows can all be transformed with your unique designs. Plus, it's SGS certified eco-friendly, so you can craft with confidence, knowing it's safe for wear. With a roll size of 12 inches by 20 feet, this vinyl offers plenty of material to bring your artistic visions to life. It's perfect for cutting into various sizes, whether you're working on large art designs or small, intricate logos and letters. Compatible with all cutting machines, this vinyl provides endless possibilities for customization. And let's not forget about gifting. Custom t-shirts, especially for occasions like Christmas, Halloween, or anniversaries, make thoughtful and personal presents. Imagine the joy on your loved one's face when they receive a custom-designed shirt made just for them. And if for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, HTVRONT offers responsive customer support to ensure you're happy with your purchase. Elevate your crafting projects with the HTVRONT Heat Transfer Vinyl White HTV Rolls, and watch as your creativity transforms everyday items into personalized masterpieces. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon? Well, don't cut yourself short. Stitch that like button, weave in a subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a crafty moment. Number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon brings us a touch of elegance and sophistication. Introducing the Berwick 06117678 inches wide single-face satin ribbon in white, a versatile and luxurious addition to any craft or DIY project. Imagine the silky smoothness of this single-face satin ribbon as it glides through your fingers. Measuring 7/8 inches wide and offering a generous 6 yards of pure crafting potential, this ribbon is ideal for wedding and seasonal decorations, gift wrapping, embroidering, sewing, and so much more. Its pristine white color exudes a timeless elegance, perfect for any occasion or project. Crafted from 100% high-quality polyester and proudly made in the USA, this ribbon ensures durability and premium quality. The single-face satin design means one side boasts a stunning shine, while the other remains matte, providing versatility in your creative endeavors. The beautifully stitched edges prevent fraying, ensuring your projects maintain a polished and professional appearance. Whether you're crafting delicate wedding favors, adding a touch of class to seasonal decorations, or wrapping a special gift, the Berwick 7/8 inches single-face satin ribbon offers endless possibilities. Its decorative edge adds a subtle yet sophisticated detail, elevating the look of any project it graces. Perfect for crafters and DIY enthusiasts alike, this ribbon is a staple in any craft room. The high-quality polyester ensures that your projects will stand the test of time, while the luxurious satin finish adds an element of sophistication that's hard to match. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Elevate your crafts with the Berwick 7/8 inches wide single-face satin ribbon in white and let your creativity shine. This ribbon is not just an embellishment, it's a statement of quality and elegance.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon. Drum roll please. Introducing the Beadsland flat-back crystal rhinestones, the ultimate game-changer for all your crafting needs. Picture this, a sparkling array of 1440 pieces of CrystalAB rhinestones, each meticulously cut to perfection, measuring between 4.6 to 4.8 millimeters. These rhinestones aren't just accessories, they're the epitome of elegance, ready to add a touch of glamour to any project. Crafted from high-quality glass, These flat-pack rhinestones are designed to dazzle. The precision cutting ensures that each gem catches the light beautifully, creating a mesmerizing sparkle that transforms your crafts into works of art. Whether you're decorating clothes, creating intricate nail art, or adding bling to your accessories, Beadsland rhinestones are your go-to choice. What makes them even more exceptional? Their ease of use. Simply apply glue to the surface of your object, stick the flat-back rhinestones, and wait for them to dry. It's that simple. No need for heat or complicated tools, just your creativity and a bit of glue. Imagine turning your mobile phone case into a glittering masterpiece, or adding a touch of sparkle to your shoes, bags, or even tumblers. The possibilities are endless. These rhinestones are versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications, from crafts and clothes to nail art, face art, eye makeup, and body art. Beadsland rhinestones are the perfect embellishment for any project. They bring a unique shine to your creations, making them stand out in any crowd. A quick reminder, these are non-Hotfix rhinestones, so you'll need to use glue for application, but that's a small step for such a big impact. Start DIYing your life with Beadsland rhinestones and watch as everything you touch turns to sparkle. So there you have it, our top pick for the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon, the Beadsland flat-pack crystal rhinestones. Elevate your crafting game and let your creativity shine with these dazzling gems.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling trim and embellishments on Amazon. To keep up with the latest top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.